Invasive species cause harm to the area they inhabit as well as to native species. An invasive species can be anything from a plant, an animal, and fungi. These harmful types of species are not native to the environment and they are dangerous for human health. For a species to be known as invasive, it has to have the ability to adapt quickly to a new area it is introduced to. It harms and outcompetes native species like plants and animals. This may lead to habitat loss, which means the habitat the native species once occupied isn't able to support the species anymore. Invasive species are the second most significant threat to biodiversity after habitat loss. An example of an invasive species is the Asian carp. This invasive species is a threat to the Great Lakes ecosystem. The Asian carp is encompassing of 4 different species of fish that all originate from China. It includes the bighead, the grass, the black carp, and the silver carp. Because of their capacity to eat an immense amount of food, this species can grow to be huge. The bighead species is able to grow to be about 60 inches long and 110 pounds. This species is able to reproduce quickly, so it is hard to stop their fast reproduction. This species poses a physical threat because they are able to jump up to 10 feet into the air when they are scared. Another invasive species is the brown tree snake, which has caused extensive economic and ecological damage to Guam. The tree snake has multiplied rapidly and has virtually wiped out Guam's native forest birds and lizards. The snakes also crawl on electrical lines and cause expensive power outages and electrical damage. There is no known way to remove the brown tree snake entirely. The best strategy is to keep them from becoming established at new locations. To prevent invasive species, people need to clean their boat thoroughly before transporting it to a different body of water. People shouldn't release aquarium fish, plants, or exotic animals into the wild. Also, volunteering at local parks or other wildlife areas to help remove invasive species will also help. One of the most important things is to help educate others about these threats.